All right, guys, we got Eric here. He's going to do a personal box. The Straggler. Flow Soccer. And then we got another case coming up. Good luck, man. All right, top of the class. 2 of 10, Oscar. 3-color patch autograph. Philip Lahm. 22 of 25. 24 of 25, Icons. William. Cards are stuck together. Soul of the game. 4 of 15. Numbered 5 of 10, Marcelo. Oh, that's a cool 1-on-1. Simone Mignolet. Tools of the Trade triple. A little Belgian flag there, too. It's actually really cool looking. Goalkeeper for Belgium. And Memphis Depay, jumbo patch. And that is number 10 of 10. Netherlands. All right, the encased, Fabio Contral, 4 of 20 diamond. Ian Robin, 4 of 20 diamond. It's a nice hit. Bayern Munich. Look at that. I'm even repping the Bayern Munich jersey, jacket today. And 7 of 25, James Rodriguez. Real Madrid. All right, buddy. Appreciate it, man. I'll get it right out to you.